Ano ba tayong kakayahan na malaman kung ano yung mga impormasyon na pinadala na sa China?
It is ongoing right now, Mr. Chair. That was like a level 3 explanation.
So kaya pa yon. When was this retrieve? Itong sa pasukin of this year? Ah, bago lang.
Retrieve sa
Sir, di ba meron naman silang ano, lifespan? Ang alam ko ito, 365 days lang ang battery nito eh.
battery, Mr. Chair.
Oo. Tapos matitirik na siya.
Mr. Chair, disposable.
So walang paraan yung satellite para recharge siya.
None, Mr. Chair.
So ang mangyayari niyan, yung laman niya sa loob talagang dapat mawala na. I-dispose na nila.
Before that, Mr. Chair,
Para sa para ibig sabihin namamatay na siya, ganon?
wait a second, Mr. Chair. One slide lang.
Mag-resurface para mag-transmit ng signal.
Yes, Mr. Chair. On the left side of the screen, Mr. Chair, that's the
Right command for the drone to resurface to send signals.
sentinel.
Dapat pala doon alert din yung ating mangingisda. Pag nakita nilang lumulutang na, hulihin na rin. Go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
Mr. Chair, the Mr. Chair, Kuya.
Made in sis po yung bathymetric.
Water, salinity, temperature.
Oho. Yun yung palagay, Admiral. Gano'ng karami pa mga drone ang nagkalat sa buong Pilipinas sa ngayon habang tayo kukondak ng hearing nito? Meron pa.
This is only the tip of the iceberg.
Kung ito ay tip of the iceberg, eh siguro po lahat ng karagatan natin ay may mga ganito na sa ilalim.
Possible, Mr. Chair. Very possible.
At kumakalap ng informasyon, can they gather information concerning land-based activities? Hindi lang. But that one, the black one, but there is a drone, a submersible drone that can accomplish that mission.
Bigger one, sophisticated.
Wala pa tayo nahuhuling ganon.
I showed the ship.
Yes, go ahead, go ahead.
Next slide.
Ano po ito?
This is a search vessel of the BLA monitored last 11 April.
Bago lang. Ito yung sa Baho? Sa nakita sa Palawan?
Near Copa and Panata show. We have personnel on Copa and Panata Mission ship. This ship, one slide lang, please, is capable, based on the design sa likod, Mr. Chair, it is capable of lowering, recovering, retrieving
Drones.
drones, cables, or other equipment to check the underwater environment.
Comsec, mark that as a C5 of the Philippine Navy. Go ahead, sir.
Sufficient.
this is the command and control.
Or a mothership Mr. Chair that will launch such a repair as this.
Can a mothership be an ordinary looking ship similar to the vessel that capsized in Mindoro?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So pwede rin yun. So hindi naman kailangan ganito. Pwedeng yung mga tanker, pwede yung mga kagaya nga nung nag-capsize sa Mindoro nung nakaraang linggo. Pwede rin yun. Ito, may plug pa ng China. Oo. Go ahead, sir. Go ahead. Sir, can all these drones communicate with each other? Pwede ba mag-usap to si Itim dito, mahina na yung baterya ko. Kayo naman na di ba? Pwede ba si Black Drone, mission accomplished na siya.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Consider that meron natin ito, turn over by the fishermen. We set out to check how long with the battery, kung naubos ba siya kaya siya nag-surface on sunset. But the good thing is we have this already in our possession, Mr. Chair. All of this, Mr. Chair, are part of the BOIN, the Blue Ocean Information Network of the Chinese.
Probably referring to the West Philippine Sea.
West Philippine Sea and the entire South China Sea, Mr. Chair.
What about the talampas ng Pilipinas? Yung Benham Rice, wala pa bang nahuhuli doon?
We have not received any, ang Benham Rice, Mr. Chair, medyo malayo ang kanin. So, mga fishermen natin hindi makapunta doon. Unlike the other, all of these were between close to the shore.
Siguradong meron yun doon. Because it was determined to be rich in manganese nodules and rare earth elements, which is a sought after mineral. Go ahead, sir. Go ahead. Admiral, one more question. Totoo ba na ang laman nito ay China Telecom SIM card?
Yes, Mr. Chair. The black one, similar to this, had a SIM card. Among the other components inside was they have SATCOM capability, GPS, a SIM card from China Telecom. This was the one that was monitored, or the data there indicated it sent a signal to A064, which being checked is a location in China.
So once a signal is transmitted to mainland China, can the said signal be acknowledged likewise by this equipment? Yung nagnanad din ba siya? Ganon?
I'll have to check, Mr. Chair, with the experts on IT or electronics. But the report of the forensics mentions that the SIM card sent a message. The area code and location data was A064, indicating China.
And from your studies, Admiral, hindi natin masagot